Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to enter the service mode on a Toshiba TV, a question I get a lot from my subscribers. I recently made a video unlocking this TV, and someone asked, how do I access the service menu? Well, let's get into it. To enter service mode, follow these steps carefully. Press the menu button on the remote. Press back. Press exit. Press enter. And that's it. Now you're inside the service menu where you can make adjustments. Important: be careful. Only change settings you understand. Some options can permanently affect your TV. To exit, simply press menu again or turn off the TV. Your changes will be saved automatically. If you have a different Toshiba model, the method might be slightly different. Let me know in the comments if you need help. And don't forget, like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Ciao!